Hey guys, what's up? It's Colin from bashbackpain.com here. Listen, I've been getting a lot of questions lately regarding stability training, yeah? People have sent me pictures of people doing like squats on bossus, standing on one leg on a bossu doing curls, and they say, oh Colin, is this like, good for the core? I want to get my core strong for my back. Okay, I want to answer it as best I can today for you guys. There is a video in my link down below of advanced core exercises for preventing lower back pain. Please go and check it out. But I want to talk a little bit today about stability training. Now, without going too deep into the history of where it all came from and why it became into sort of prominence and is still around today. You may in some gyms see people standing on a bossu, got one here, the both sides up device. And they'll be standing on one leg, two legs, they'll be doing curls, they'll be doing squats, presses, whatever, okay? Why? Okay, so look, with any exercise, you have to ask your question, what is the goal? What is the ultimate goal of me doing this exercise? Is it to get stronger, which is most people's goal, I would think. I want to get a bigger muscle. Am I rehabilitating this muscle? Am I doing it for endurance? What is the purpose? Okay, so if I was going to squat on this, right? And I'm going to squat on the most shaky side, right? Now, I don't do this, and I'll explain why. Let me just get into it first. Okay. So, not exactly easy to get onto. Okay, there's a lot of stability issues. I'm squatting. Now, what is my goal with this exercise? Does anybody know? Put it in the comments. Because here's the thing. If I'm trying to work my quads, okay, let me just explain. When you increase the load intensity on a muscle, which is generally weight, right, the muscle activation goes up, okay? If I increase the instability, make it more unstable, yeah, there's going to be a point where I cross where the instability itself takes away from the muscle recruitment, and I'll be recruiting less of the muscle fibers that I want to recruit to get myself stronger. I'll be spending so much time trying to balance myself, yeah, that I'm not going to get stronger, okay? Why would I choose to squat on this versus squatting on a flat, stable surface? After all, unless you're a surfer, maybe a snowboarder, maybe you're in Cirque du Soleil, most of your activities take place on a stable surface, yeah? If I wanted to increase the instability a little bit, okay, a lot of the famous old Russian Olympic lifters, they would often squat with 10 kilos on one side extra on the bar to make it a little bit more difficult coming up, a little bit of instability. They would even use like the bands. You've seen the guys with the bands hanging weights off the bands. Gives you a little bit of instability, just enough to recruit a little bit more muscle fiber, make your awareness, your proprioception a little bit better. But trust me guys, doing this here, you're taking away from the exercise, yeah? I say, oh, but it's working my core. It's working my core. Really? Okay, let's think about that for a second, yeah? So, if I'm standing on this trying to balance myself and I'm using my core, again, think about it, right? If I want to stimulate that muscle as much as possible, yeah, I have to load it as much as possible with load, with weight, okay? I'm not going to do that when I'm balancing on this all over the place, all right? Now remember I also showed you guys in a previous video the kneeling landmine, very good strong bracing movements, yeah? I also showed you the bird dog performed correctly, okay, because the bird dog is often done incorrectly. You'll see a lot of these people flailing about all over the place, okay? Nice and strong, solid. I make a fist, I come up, I push my back leg out away from me. Strong shoulder back, sweep, okay? Strong, yeah? I'm using 10 under tension, maybe holding the exercise for 4 or 5 seconds to increase the tension, to activate more muscles, make me stronger in that position. I don't need to be doing it on the bossu. If I'm on the bossu trying to do this, and trust me, I've seen people do this, okay? I know I'm being hard on the bossu today, but bear with me, yeah? I've seen people on the bossu, like on this position, doing this, trying to do this exercise, okay? you're taking away from the exercise, okay? This is a needless device for that exercise. Yes, it's got uses, okay? I have used it in the past for certain things, but guys, listen, trying to increase instability, thinking it's going to create a stronger core, yeah? That's not the way, okay? You want a stronger core, you got to lift more weight, put more tension under those muscles. That's what's going to make it stronger, okay? Also, if you're holding an exercise for a longer period, like a plank, okay, the front bridge, for example, yeah? Holding this for longer and longer and longer, okay, does not make you stronger, yeah? It will increase the endurance, which is good for posture and such, but it's not going to make you stronger. So please, when it comes to instability training, don't go crazy, okay? You don't need to be doing this kind of stuff. Something as simple, it's a very trick we used to use a little bit as well, is, okay, you're standing here, lift one leg, now close your eyes, and just hold, okay? You've taken away one of your senses, your vision, and now you have to obviously work your ankle a lot harder, okay, the muscles there. That's going to do far more for you, yeah, at a motor skill level than standing on one of these, okay, on one leg, yeah. Likewise, you can test other sides, together, lift one leg, close the eyes, and hold. And you may find you've got a difference, okay, which for me, my right is worse. I basically had quite a bad ankle injury when I was at 18, 19. Stretched the ligaments quite significantly, and it's still not 100%, yeah, even to this day. So guys, any questions, comments, please hit them up down below, yeah. Hope I've explained a little bit about instability training and why the crazy stuff you see with people kneeling on balls and one leg on buses, okay. It may look like fun, maybe you enjoy doing it, right? But if your ultimate goal is to get stronger, there's far better ways to do it, all right? So guys, please like and share, and I'll talk to you very soon. Have a great day. Bye-bye.